In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new record from within a playbook in HubSpot. This walkthrough is perfect if you want your team to create contacts, companies, deals, or tickets on the fly while they're using a playbook. We'll start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and search for HubSpot. From the search results, click through to the official HubSpot website. Go ahead and sign in to your account. If you manage multiple portals, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing, since playbooks and permissions can differ by account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and locate the CRM area. This is where your core tools live, and it's the home for playbooks. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the navigation or using the search bar in the app to find playbooks quickly. Click Playbooks to open your library. You'll see a list of existing playbooks your team uses during calls, meetings, or internal processes. Find the playbook you want to work on and click it to open the editor. If you have many, use filters or search to zero in on the right one and double-check you're editing the correct version to avoid confusion later. Inside the playbook editor, look to the top right corner and click Insert. This button adds structured elements to your playbook so you can guide users through consistent actions. A panel or menu will appear with different types of content and functionality you can add. From that menu, click Actions. Actions are especially useful for turning your playbook from a static guide into an interactive workflow. They help users capture data and trigger meaningful steps without leaving the playbook. Next, click Create a Record. This tells HubSpot you want the playbook to generate a brand new record during use, which keeps data entry fast and consistent. You'll now select a record type. Choose the option that fits your process, such as a contact for a new person you're talking to, a company when you're engaging a new organization, a deal to track a fresh opportunity, or a ticket for a new support request. Pick the one that aligns with the moment you expect this playbook to be used. When you're happy with your choice, click Insert Action. HubSpot will add this Create a Record step directly into your playbook. From now on, whenever someone runs this playbook, they'll be prompted to create that record type right there, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks and your CRM stays clean and up to date. That's it. Your playbook now helps users create new records seamlessly as they work.